This video I'm going to show how to install the free version of DaVinci Resolve 19. So the first thing I'll do is search for it in Google, and the site I'm looking for is this blackmagicdesign.com, so I will click on that. Then I'll scroll all the way down until I see the Download DaVinci Resolve Free and the Two Great Versions headers. The studio version costs $295, but the free version just asks for your personal information so they can send you promotions, which I rarely get. So after clicking on the link, it's going to give me several options, and the one I want is the Windows x86 under DaVinci Resolve 19 header. The studio version to the right is the paid version. Now it's going to ask for my personal information, but aside from my email and phone in case they started sending or texting links, I just provide some false details so I can download the free version. I provided my real details the first time I downloaded the free version, and I think it's been years since I've seen an email from Blackmagic Design, and you don't have to provide any info for updates. So after I fill out the required fields, I'll scroll down and click on the Register and Download button, which will start downloading the installer. Now I'll go up top right in Chrome and click on the round icon, then down to click on Full Download History, where I can watch the progress. The file is currently over 2 gigabytes, so this might take quite a bit of time if you don't have a decent internet connection. When the download is finished, I'll go up and click on the folder icon, and then close the browser since I don't need it anymore. Now I'll right-click on the zip file and go down to left-click Extract All, then down to click on the Extract button to begin that process. And after it's completed, I'll double-click on the new folder to open it, and then double-click on the application file to begin the installation. I'll click Yes to allow the installer to make changes to my computer, leave all the default options selected, and click the Install button below to start installing the software. And then it will go through and set up everything it needs, which takes a couple of minutes to complete. Then the wizard will pop up where I will click Next, accept the license agreement, click Next again, keep the default path and click Next, then install again to begin. This will take another minute, and then a Finish button will pop up, so I click that, and it does a little more before actually completing. Now I'll click OK, and then go over to arrange the icon for the software to how I want it and rename it. Then I'll double click it to launch the software, which will show what's new and run me through a setup process on the first run. So I will click Continue, then on Quick Setup, where it will then do a system check to make sure my computer meets the requirements to run the software, which I pass, so I click Continue again. I publish most of my videos in 4K, so I'll select Ultra HD and then click Continue below, and I'll use the default path they have set for my media location and click Continue once more. Then for my keyboard layout, I'll keep it set to DaVinci Resolve and click Continue again, and then click the Start button to complete the setup and launch the software. And finally, I'll click Allow to let DaVinci Resolve access the network to check for updates. Hopefully this video has helped, and feel free to ask any questions that you still may have in the comments. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more quick and on-point videos.